Hello. So the first thing that you need to do when making a film is prepare for the shoot. This is called pre-production, and it's where you check all your equipment, make sure that your camera is recording, the microphones works. If you're using your phone, check there's two microphones in the phone, so one for the front camera, one for the back. So make sure that they work before you use them. Then you need to prepare all the resources that you're gonna need. If you need to cut some paper, if you need to have a cake ready for the final, whatever it is that you need to prepare. Think of when you're filming, where are you filming, if you have a background, what's gonna be in the background, what's your clothes. Try to plan as much as possible so when it gets to the point of shooting, you're all ready to go. When you're shooting, you need to consider a few things. First, you need to decide what format you're using, if it's a portrait or landscape. You need to think when you're filming, where you're filming, what type of light, if it's natural or if it's artificial light. If you're gonna be talking to the camera, if you use your hands a lot and you don't want to, maybe have some props. Do some takes, retake them if you have to. Remember, it's a learning process, so you might have to do it over and over. Just try, see what works for you. I'm gonna use iMovie to edit my film. It comes pre-installed in iPhone, or you can download it from the App Store for free. To create a film, you click on the add button or the plus sign, and that will take you to your camera roll. You can go back and you can check the different albums that you have. If you click on any of the videos that you have in your camera, it will show you a preview, and then by clicking the tick or check, you can import them to your film. If you get stuck at any point, there's a button on the top right corner with a question mark. If you click on that, it will show you the help for all of the tools all the time. So if you have any doubts, just click on that and it will help you. If you want to add any more clips or photos, you can select on the plus sign from the menu again, and then select whatever you want to bring in. If it's a photo, you can embed it so it doesn't move, and you can decide how long, how many seconds you want it in your clip. There are 5 different tools on the bottom of the screen. The first one is the trimming tool, which allows you to decide the length of the clip. You can decide it just by dragging it back and forth. Then if you want to trim the clip, you can click on the split button. There's also next to it one that's called detach, which will remove the channel for the Vimeo and the audio. So if you just want to use the audio, you can do that and then delete the video. There's 2 more options, duplicate and delete, which do what they say. The next tool is the speed tool, which allows you to slow down your video up to 1/8 or make it faster up to 2 times as the normal speed. Then you have your sound tool, which allows you to mute a clip or change the volume, either make it lower or make it higher. The text tool has different options, this depending on what you want to use them for. If you want to show the title, if you want to show captions on each of the films. Now the text will last for the length of that clip. So if you wanted just to show it at the beginning, you will have to split your clip using the trim tool that we spoke at the beginning. There is another tool for filters, which I'm not going to go through. You just click on it and then you can have a look at different filters for the clip. If you want to add music or audio to your film, you click on the add button and then go to music. You will have to have the music already in your phone, then you select it and it will come to your timeline. You can mute it, you can fade it, or you can change the length of each clip. Please remember to be very careful if you add music. You need to make sure that you have the right copyrights to put any songs on your clips. If you want to add a picture within a picture, you click on the add button, then you select the clip that you want to add, and before you add it, you click on the triple dot. That will give you some options. There's picture within a picture, a split frame, or audio only. If you select the picture in a picture, once you clicked on that, you can arrange where you want it to show on the screen, and that's it. Once your video is ready, you click on Done on the top left corner and change your title, and then click on the share button. This will give you the option to save to your files or share to social media. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this. It was useful to you. If you want to have a look at why it's important to make a few shots, you can have a look at the bloopers clip just over here. And if you enjoy this or you want to have a look at more content, you can subscribe just over here. Thanks for watching. Bye.